3D printing is a type of rapid prototyping technology. It is a technology that uses adhesive materials such as powdered metal or plastic to construct objects by printing layer by layer based on digital model files. 3D printing is essentially manufacturing, not printing. 3D printing is usually achieved using digital technology material printers. It is often used to create prototypes in fields such as mold manufacturing and industrial design, and is gradually used in the direct manufacturing of some products. The technology has applications in jewelry, footwear, industrial design, architecture, engineering and construction (AC), automotive, aerospace, dental and medical industries, education, geographic information systems, civil engineering, firearms and other fields. The 3D printing technologies currently used in the industry mainly include SLS, SLM, FDM, MJP, 3DP, and SLA. Selective laser sintering. Process. The powder is turned into a tightly integrated whole through sintering, rather than melting it into a liquid state. It is covered layer by layer under laser scanning, and the final component is sunk into a pile of powder, and then after 12–14 hours cooling time, and the remaining powder can be recycled and reused. Raw materials: nylon, metal powder, PS powder, resin sand. Selective laser melting. Process. A high-energy terbium-doped fiber laser is used to melt metal powder to form multi-purpose three-dimensional parts. Raw materials: titanium alloy, cobalt chromium alloy, stainless steel, aluminum alloy. Fuse deposition method. Process. By extruding filamentous materials such as thermoplastics and wax from a heated nozzle, melt deposition is performed at fixed rate according to the predetermined trajectory of each layer of the part. Raw materials: polylactic acid PLA, ABS plastic, multiple jet. Process. A variety of materials can be used during the printing process. During printing, the nozzle ejects the molding material and the support material. For plastic and dental equipment types, the support material is wax, and the molding material is UV-cured acrylic plastic. Raw materials: resin, wax. 3D printing technology. Process. 3D printers using 3DP technology use standard inkjet printing technology to create each component layer by laying the liquid connector on a thin layer of powder to create a three-dimensional solid model by printing cross-sectional data. Raw materials: gypsum powder. Stereolithography. Process. Use a laser with a specific wavelength and intensity to focus on the surface of a light curing material to solidify it sequentially from point to line and from line to surface to complete a layer of drawing work. And then the lifting table moves the height of one layer in the vertical direction. Then solidify another layer. In this way, the layers are superimposed to form a three-dimensional entity. Raw materials: photosensitive resin. The difference between stereolithography SLA and selective laser sintering SLS. 1. Different materials. SLA material is photosensitive resin. SLS is mainly nylon. ABS, nylon plus glass fiber. 2 different processing methods.